I had a history of a shoulder pain that's normally on my left side. It started after my first baby's delivery. I already have two. So it was a prolonged pain for around 10 years. So now I have done a lots of treatment for this. I have visited different doctors. For a certain period of time, I used to get a relief. But then again, something triggers and it was coming back. So recently it happened that I met a friend and she has recommended me Dr. Richa. So I have visited her clinic and I have told about my problem, what I was having, the stiffness of my shoulder and the severe pain. She has diagnosed my problem and she has started with a week's session. She has clearly told that within a week I will be having certain procedures which was properly planned by her. And after the first day, I should say that after the first day of treatment, I was feeling so light, and I'll tell you that after a long time, I was able to sleep. I was able to get a peaceful sleep. Normally, because of this pain, I was not able to sleep properly. So after a long time, on that day, the first day of my treatment, I'm talking about, and I was feeling so light and so relieved that I was able to sleep the whole night. So I will definitely recommend everyone to just, if you have any issue like that, please consult Perfect Bounce, and they will be providing you with the proper treatment, with proper procedures and proper medicine, and they are maintaining their hygiene level which has to be maintained during the COVID-19, which is the current scenario. Thank you so much.
I am working with the IT profession. Okay, my company is Bosch. I am with this profession for the last 20 years. Maybe looks like I am a little bit grey hair, and don't think that I am too much old. I am only 43 years old. Okay, anyway, last 2 months back, we know that we had this COVID situation, and I am also started working from home. The beginning of this COVID situation, what I felt is I got some injury on my shoulder, and little bit muscle pain happened. And I didn't consult any doctor that time because it was COVID situation, there was no hospital. Then I was carrying that pain with me, and now it is after 2 months that becomes severe. Then I forced to consult some physician or some doctor. Ultimately, I got to know about this Perfect Bounce. Finally, I decided to visit there. Okay, I went there last week, and then I was a little bit afraid of how that way they are treating and all, because especially this government protocol, and we know that situation. Okay, so I went there and I was pleasantly surprised. They have followed all kind of protocols in terms of checking temperature, and the location also, and even that premise also very much hygiene. And I explained my situation in terms of my pain and kind of difficulties I am facing. And they explained a kind of treatment. The treatment also a little bit new for me, that is cupping and needling, all those things. And that was a little bit different for me. And anyway, they explained that treatment benefits and precautions or procedures, all those things. I decided to go for that too. And I have taken this whatever the sessions prescribed by them, and I could see the difference, I can say. That means one is the pain, that was my major issue, that pain got relieved, and now I can, while coming I could not even move my hand properly, but now I can move. I don't have much more pain issue. And on top of that, it is not just for the pain, that is what I want to say. It is more or less, the treatment is not just for my shoulder, that was for my whole body. I can see the difference in terms of my muscle stiffness got reduced and become more flexible. And I can say that, and also on top of that, it is not just my muscle relief. There are some poster analysis, and based on that, there are some exercise prescribed, and we have to follow those things. Now I am ready to do that also. Let's see the difference, and we have some kind of follow. Hope I will get more relief out of this. Thanks.
I'm Sapna. I'm working with Hermes International School. My profession is teaching. So as you are aware, it's a job where we need to sit in front of the laptop. Then moreover, maybe with the documentation work, lesson plan making, whatever. So actually, what happened is some 4 years ago, I was experiencing a severe back pain along with spondylosis, and I had vertigo also. So I have gone to 2-3 hospitals and I was taking medicines. But after that, after the medicines, the moment I stopped the medicine, I was again experiencing severe back pain. I was unable to sleep, and I don't know, I was quite kind of uneasiness and aversion to food. So I was thinking what to do. I was mentally depressed actually. Then because really it was very difficult to sleep. Then through one of my friend, I got to know about this Perfect Bounce. So she said, you just go and see. And then I have gone to Miss Dr. Richa. Then the beginning, actually I was little apprehensive for this treatment because she has started with some needle. So I was thinking this is kind of acupuncture. So where I'm heading to. But what happened is once she has done her treatment, I really felt so good. I was relaxed and the pain, I should say, drastically reduced. Now this is my 4th visit to her, and it is not because of severe pain. It is there, but this is kind of follow up. And the main thing what I find with Dr. Richa is, and with Perfect Bounce is they'll make the patient really comfortable. We don't feel like we are going to a doctor and we are going to undergo some severe treatment. So that it's not like that. She make us she talks like that. It is so soothing. So with that only she'll do her treatment along with the talking, and she make us very comfortable. And really, I have recommended many people, and really I recommend everyone to go to Dr. Richa. I feel any kind of muscle pain, joint pain or whatever, I feel once you visit her, later you take a call. This is just a suggestion I'm saying with my experience. You can take a call, but just visit once, then you see how is it working out. Yeah.